We wanted to give the Be More Trustings a reason to come outside. We're gonna be building a frog hotel. Frogs bring so many benefits to the landscape. They eat insects, and they're just kind of cool to watch. And I love this project because it is super, super simple. Here's what you need. We have a plastic pot here. We filled it up, put quite a bit of dirt in there, 3 different sizes of PVC. I've got some rocks, and I have a plant. Super simple. Let me show you how this works. I've gone ahead and pre-cut my PVC, and you want these kind of staggered, so you kind of get to what you feel like looks like a good pattern there. And I'm gonna lift these up and kind of set these down right in here, build out a little area there. So I'm gonna fill the rest of that in with some dirt there. And now I'm gonna come in here with my rocks, and this is really gonna kind of give us a lot of support. I'm actually gonna put some inside each of these little pipes. This will help hold a little bit of water, because as it rains, that's really what's gonna attract that frog, and they're gonna feel safe in this tube. This is a Blue Days. This is gonna do really well in here. Look how nice that looks, and this is easy to do. We're gonna put this near the dry creek bed, Frog Hotel.